Easiest way to tell if you have a bad wheel bearing, say you have a front wheel drive, so you gotta jack the car up, and I have the passenger side up as well. Now if you have a four-wheel drive, just do the same thing, but you gotta jack all four wheels up. But if it's a two-wheel drive and you want to check the back, just jack it up and spin the wheels by hand. Always make sure you have the jack stands in there. All right, so I have the car in drive and I'm letting the wheels spin. I think this is the bad wheel bearing right here. Now with the wheel spinning, what you do is you hold the spring or strut area. You can kind of feel the vibration traveling up. So this one I can definitely feel the vibration, so I know that's a bad wheel bearing. Now we're gonna check the passenger side. I don't feel any vibration in this at all, so I know that that wheel bearing is good. All right, click that subscribe button for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.